Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT channel Quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. I hope you are doing great. Now, we are going to discuss a very good set today on analytical learning. All right, and this is a set you will really enjoy if you are someone who likes numbers, who like placing things, Sudoku type. You will really love this set. All right, and before I move to the set, like I always say, if you are not in the group where you are given the DILR sets every day, and if you are not receiving them over WhatsApp, you can fill a Google form in the description. हमारी description में Google form है. Fill that and you will be the part of our group, which will be really beneficial for you. All right. Now it says, let's understand the question first. It says, in a grid of dimensions m into n, where m is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. So if I'm writing 4 into 4, 4 rows, 4 columns. If I'm writing 5 into 6, there are 5 rows and 6 columns. All right. Now, the neighboring cells to any cells A are those which have at least a side or a common or a corner common to the cell. So this is where they are defining what is a neighboring cell. So let us understand that what is a neighboring cell. Let us say I am filling A over here. Now for this cell A, what is the neighboring cell? All the cells which share a corner or a boundary. Like this share, this covers a, so let's name it 1. This covers a corner. This corner is common with it. This cell number 2, the 2 is written over here. This shares a edge. Then this 3 shares a corner. This is a corner that these two cells are sharing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 neighbors to this particular cell, which we have named as A. Okay. Now, now he has to fill, Amit has to fill some numbers from 1 to a natural number mn. Right. So from 1 to 15, 1 to 16, whatever the numbers are, if there are 4 into 4, then there are 16 cells. He will have to fill he will have to fill all the cells, keeping this thing in mind. He must start with filling 1, then 2, and so on. So he has to fill it symmetrically. If there is 1, then after that 1, he will have to fill 2. All right. So on up to number mn, whatever is the last number, he has to fill those numbers. No two neighboring cells can have consecutive natural numbers. Also, all the cells in odd numbers must be filled with odd numbers. So odd columns must be filled with odd numbers. All right. Odd column, sorry. First column and third column. Right, they must be filled with odd numbers, which automatically means that these cells will be even numbers. All right. Also, do not misunderstand it in this way that we are filling the odd cells with odd numbers. What if we are filling odd cells in even columns? क्या पता मैं यहाँ पे 3 भर दूं, वो तो चलेगा? नहीं चलेगा. Why? Because if you are filling it by 3, you are basically using a place which is meant for an even number, because then even number cannot be placed over here. Then there will be at least one vacant cell and you will not be able to fill all the numbers, right? I hope you are getting my point. Right, so odd even, odd even. Now it further says number one, while filling any number, he must choose a cell in such a way that the maximum possibilities are ruled for the next natural numbers. First of all, it says that no two neighboring cells can have consecutive natural numbers, which means that if one is filled over here, now what are the neighboring cells? All these are neighboring cells. You cannot fill 2 in any of these cells. Neither here, neither here, neither here, neither here, neither here. I define what is neighboring, right? And since 2 can be filled only in the even number column, so 2 will come in the last column. All right. Now it says, while filling any number, he must choose a cell in a way that the maximum number of possible cells are ruled out for the next natural number. Now, what do we mean by this? Right. After 2, we have to fill 3. 2 के बाद हमें 3 भरना है. All right. Now, see, 2 can be filled over here also, 2 can be filled over here also, 2 can be filled over here also. There are 3 possibilities for 2. Now, I have to fill 2 in such a way that I am eliminating maximum possibilities or maximum possible places for 3. What do we mean by that? If I am filling 2 over here, I will eliminate these 2 places for 3. These 2 places are eliminated. If I am filling 2 over here, these 3 places are eliminated for 3. ये तीनों जगह एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगी बिकॉज देयर आर 3 नेबर्स टू दिस सेल. Similarly, if I am filling 2 over here, I will be eliminating only 2 places. Now 2 cannot be filled over here. ये तो हमने establish कर लिया था. We have already established that 2 cannot be filled over here. Now among these 3 cells, filling 2 over here will eliminate maximum possibilities, and hence this is the required cell in which I will fill the value 2. Right. Next it says if there are more than one possible cells with maximum number of neighbors, you can randomly choose any of them. Which means that if let us say I have only 2 possibilities and both the possibilities are eliminating equal number of cells for the next number. अगर मेरे पास 2 possibilities हैं और दोनों ही possibilities में मेरा अगला जो natural number है उसके लिए equal number of cells eliminate हो रहे हैं, तो मैं उसको कहीं भी भर सकता हूँ, उसका फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Right? Okay. Now they have explained the functioning. We have understood the functioning. Let's move to the question. This says if number 1 is blindly filled by Amit in first row and first column of a 4 into 4 matrix. So this is a 4 into 4 matrix. He has filled the first number over here. Now, in how many ways he can fill the remaining grid? Now I have to think of the possibilities of remaining grid. So 1 is filled over here. Now 2 cannot be filled over here, right? 2 in cells में नहीं आ सकता. Neither here, neither here. Correct. And यहाँ तो चलो वैसे ही नहीं आ सकता because यहाँ odd numbers आएंगे. All right. So 2 can be filled here, here, and any of these places. Now let us understand the functionality of filling the 2. Now if I am filling 2 over here, अगर मैं यहाँ 2 को भरता हूँ, then these 3 cells and these 3 cells are getting eliminated for filling the natural number 3. यानी 3 को भरने के लिए 6 possibilities एक साथ खत्म हो जाएंगी, right? Because these are all neighboring cells. These 6 are neighboring cells. All right. So okay, this offers 6 places to eliminate. If I fill over here, 4 possibilities are getting eliminated. Okay. If I am filling over here, 2 possibilities are getting eliminated. Filling over here, 3 possibilities are getting eliminated. Filling over here, 3 possibilities are getting eliminated. Filling over here, 2 possibilities are getting eliminated. Which means that this place offers the maximum eliminations for next natural number, that is 3. So I will fill 2 over here, right? And there is only one way of filling it. All right. Now, since I have eliminated 6 places, so 3 can only come here now, right? 3 can only come here now. As soon as I fill 3 over here, these 2 places and these 2 places are eliminated for 4. Now 4 can come over here, here or here. These 3 places are available for 4. Now let us think, if I fill 4 over here, then for 5, these places are eliminated. 4 places are eliminated. If I fill 4 over here, 3 places are eliminated. 4 over here, 2 places are eliminated. So I will fill 4 over here because it eliminates 4 possibilities for 5. All right. So 4 is filled over here. Now what about 5? 5 cannot be filled in these 2 cells or these 2 cells. So 5 can either be filled here or here. If I fill 5 over here, only 2 possibilities are eliminated for 6. If I fill 5 over here, 4 possibilities are eliminated for 6. So I will fill 5 over here. Right. So 5 is filled here. Now 6 cannot be filled here. 6 cannot be filled here. So there is only one spot left for 6, that is this spot. Now 7 cannot be filled over here. So 7 will come here, here or here. Obviously I will fill 7 over here because these are the 2 possibilities eliminated for 8 now. So 8 cannot come here. 8 can come in either of these 3 cells. So where will I fill 8? I will fill 8 over here because it eliminates 2 possibilities. Now it's very easy. When we have got the gist, it is very easy. Now 9 cannot be filled here. 9 can be filled only in these 2 places. So obviously I will fill 9 over here because it eliminates this place for 10. While filling the 9 here will not eliminate anything. All right, now I have to fill 10. So 10 can come here or 10 can come in these 2 places. Right, here this place is not eligible for 10 because this is a neighboring cell. So 10 is filled over here obviously because it will eliminate one place. So 10 is filled over here. Now 11 can be filled here or here. These are the 2 options for 11. This place and this place are the 2 options for 11. And both the places are offering no results for the next number. यहाँ पे अगर मैं भरूंगा, even in that case 12 will be filled anywhere here. somewhere here, and even in this case. So there are two cases for 11 number. So let us say I'm filling the 11 over here. Let's say I'm discussing case one. 11 is filled over here. Now 12 can come anywhere here. है ना? So 12 is coming anywhere here, but I will fill 12 here because it will eliminate one place for 12, for 13. Now 13 cannot come here. 13 will definitely come here. 14 and 16. 14, 15, 16. ये possibilities है. Or 14, 15, 16. ये possibilities. So 14 and 16 can interchange among themselves. उसका फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. And 15 can come at only one place. So basically, when I am taking 11 over here, there are two cases. With filling the 11 over dr, there are two cases. Right. Now let's think that what will happen when I will fill 11 over here, because these are the two possibilities. I can fill 11 over here also. With 11 at dr, there are two cases, right? Now, when I am filling 11 over here, where can 12 go? 12, so 12 again will come here only. There is only one possibility for 12. 13 here, one possibility for 13. Again, 14, 15, 16, or 14, 15, and 16. So two possibilities over here. When I am filling 11 in DP, there are two more cases. So there are a total of 4 cases. There are a total of 4 cases. Is that clear, everyone? Yes or I hope it is clear, everyone. All right. Now, I don't think there is any other possibility. So let us move to the questions. What is the first question? How many ways are there? Answer is 4. If number 1 is this, what is the difference between sum of all the numbers of row 1 and row 4? I have to define the difference of row A minus row D. See, understand that 14 and 16 are interchanging, but they are remaining in row A only. Similarly, 11 and 13 might interchange, but they will remain in row D only. So basically, I have to find the difference. 18, 34, 15, 18, 34, 28, 34. So difference is 0 only. Difference is 0 in both the cases. Answer is 0. Cell above 12. Cell above 12 will be either 14 or 16. So this is the answer. All right. Now, the last question demands something different. In how many ways 3 into 4 grid can be filled? Now, when I am talking about 3 into 4 grid, basically, this row is not there, right? And I can see that it is odd into even number type grid. So I am pretty sure that this will be an irrelevant case because there is not symmetric. They are not symmetric around their edges. So let's find out. Now, 1 can be filled anywhere according to rules. Let us say 1 is filled over here. Since 1 is filled over here, 2 cannot come here, right? There is no 2 cannot be here. 2 will be here because it will eliminate 3 places for 3, right? Now 3 can be here or here. So let us say 3 is here. Now these 2 places are eliminated for 4. So 4 can be here, here, or here. I will fulfill 4 over here because it will eliminate 3 places for the next number, that is 5. So 4 is here. 5 cannot come here. 5 cannot come here. So 5 will come here. Right. Now 6 cannot come here. 6 will come. 6 cannot come here. 6 will come here. 7 cannot come here. 7 will come here. 8 cannot come here. 8 can come here or here. In both the cases, one place is eliminated. So let me fill it over here. No difference between that. 8. Now 9 cannot be here. 9 will definitely be here. 10 cannot be here. 10 will definitely be here. Now this leaves us 2 places for 11 and 12, which are neighboring, which means that this is not possible. But let us take one more case in order to establish our result. Let us fill 1 over here. If I am filling 1 over here, these 2 places are eliminated for 2. Now, even in this case, I will fill 2 over here, right? Because it will eliminate 4 possibilities for 3. So 2 is filled over here, right? Now 2 is here. Now 3 can not be here or 3 cannot be here. So 3 will definitely be here. Now 4 cannot be here. 4 cannot be here. 4 will definitely be here. 5 cannot be here. 5 will be here. right? It will eliminate 2 places for 6. 6 can come any of these places. 6 will come here, eliminating 2 possibilities. 7 cannot come here. 7 will come here. Now 8 can come here or here. Both the places are eliminating only one option. Let's fill over here. 8. All right. 9 cannot come here. 9 will definitely come here. 10 will definitely come here. Again, there are 2 places. See, so even if you are starting at an edge or you are starting from center, the number of possibilities to fill this is 0, because this is an odd into even type of matrix, which is not symmetrical, right? So my answer is 0 in this case. All right. I hope you guys have understood the explanation and you enjoyed learning it. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.